Hello world. Let me tell you about my new hometown, Bowling Green, Kentucky. It's so much more than I ever imagined. America's sports car is made here. Businesses launch in Bowling Green. There are so many companies with worldwide reach. This is an international high school. Here's another high school. Can you believe what they're learning at that age? And your money? Wow, you can really make it stretch here. Look, that's a museum. And here's another. Well, there's so much worth remembering here. When you visit, we need to take a food tour, which is like a tour around the world. And caves. Did I mention caves? Or mountain biking. Those are some amazing trails. There's so many things to do here and opportunities around every corner. That must be why Bowling Green is the fastest growing city in the state. You'll see. Bowling Green, community-led, service-driven, powered by growth.